Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Hyprland plugins. Now, you can do it the normal way with Pacman or Yay, I think, AUR. But Hyprland actually has its own plugin manager called Hyprpm. And it's a bit easier doing it that way. Let's just open a terminal and let me see my notes. Right, so first of all, you have to... Let me just select this. First of all, you have to install all the dependencies. That's the word. Right, we just select this. Right, and then paste it. Yeah, it cuts it off here. I don't know why. With nano. Paste well. So you just install all the dependencies. Make sure you have all of those. I have it already. Right, and then you have to obviously clone the repository. We'll see now this one. Copy that. Paste it. So Hyprpm add, and obviously the repository for all the plugins. Now I have it already. Repository already installed, so that's good. So you just do that, and then you want to update. So let's update. So Hyprpm update. Oops. Update. Right. So just let it update, and then what's next? So update, and then next you have to load Hyprpm at boot. So when you boot your Arch Hyprland, you want to boot your Hyprpm because it loads all the plugins that needs to run in the background. So you have to put this line into your Hyprland config file. Exact once equals Hyprpm reload -n. So not start. I've tried start, but start doesn't work. I think it's the wrong flag. So reload is the command actually. So we can actually put that in now. So let's copy that. Let's bring my other scratch pad down. Get to Hyprland. Right, where is it now? That's the question. Oh yeah, auto exact, auto start. So just put it here in auto start. And where should we put it? Yeah, so stupid. I put it here already. Right, so exact ones Hyprpm reload -n. So just put it in auto start. Right, so let's kill that. Is this done? Okay, let's just wait for all the plugins to update and then we can go further. But that should be it. So I just want to show you what I can show you now while that's updating actually. Yes. Yeah, exit. Come on, let's go. Why is Hyprland not exiting? Probably have to press enter. Stupid. Right, so if you want to list your plugins, you just type in Hyprpm list. Alright, so here it lists a couple of plugins. So this is all the plugins that's actually in the repository. I don't know if there's others. Why this list only include these? Because I know Hyperchroma, there's no more support for this. I tried this one and it didn't work, and it wasn't actually in this list until I installed it. Now it's in the list. But anyway, let's just check which ones is in the list. Plugin borders plus. I don't know what that is. Right, then hyperbars. I have hyper expo, hyperfocus, and hyper scrolling. So I have these free, but Hyperfocus, I don't know. I can't get it to work, so whatever. But it will list all your installed and enabled plugins here. And if you want to install a plugin, let's install Hypertrails. All you have to do is just type in Hyprpm enable Hypertrails. Let's see. Right, as you can see the notification there, it's successfully installed it, so that's cool. I don't even know what Hypertrails does though. I think it leaves a trail or something if you move stuff. I don't know. But yeah, that's how easy that is to install plugins for Hyprland. So obviously this list will be updated and probably added to. So you just have to keep your Hyprpm updated and probably update it here. So it's pretty straightforward. We don't have to wait for these updates because it will just update. Oh yeah, there is it done. And then it shows your installed plugins as well. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, so I just make it a bit bigger like that. So that's pretty much Hyprpm for Hyprland for you. Very easy to use and straightforward. So yeah, like and subscribe if you like this video. Good.